Yeah, good evening. This is Nick, 9 Oscar Charlie 63, Toronto, Canada. Roger, Roger. Operator Mark, you said Mark?
Yeah, Roger Nick, Mike Alpha Romeo Kilo, and the call is World Radio 251, Nick. Okay.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. So Nick is the name here. The call sign is 9 Oscar Charlie 6363. And we're running a window antenna here on the third floor. The numbers are 6363, 6363.
Okay, 63, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Nick. And you say you're running a window antenna, Nick, was that correct?
QSL, yes, I'm running a boomerang antenna out of the window here on the third floor in downtown Toronto.
Absolutely fantastic, mate. No worries, he's doing a great job, Nick. Great to have you in there this afternoon, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, Roger, you are coming in good as well. You are 5 at 6, 5 and 6. And yeah, very nice signal, my friend.
Yeah, no worries. Good to hear that's working for you, Nick. Not very often we hear somebody working with an antenna hanging out of the window on the 10th floor. Best wishes to you and the family. 9 Oscar Charlie 63, World Radio 251 England. 73, Nick.
194 California, this is...
Roger, Roger. Thank you, Mark. Thank you so much for the contact, 73. And I'm making a video right now. You can go to YouTube and check Ontario CB Club on YouTube, and you will see this contact here on YouTube. Okay, guys. Thank you.
154 California, this is...
Thank you, Mark, for the contact 73s, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.